Emily, a graphic designer in a bustling city, lived a life filled with routine. However, one ordinary day became extraordinary when she received a letter from a law firm. It revealed that her distant uncle, whom she had only met a few times as a child, had left her an inheritance, an old house in a rural village. Curiosity piqued, Emily decided to take a break from her work and visit the house. She drove through scenic landscapes and quaint towns before reaching the village. The house was located on the outskirts, surrounded by lush fields and woods. It was an old Victorian-style house, somewhat worn by time, but still charming. As Emily explored the house, she was drawn to its unique character. Each room told a story of the past, filled with antique furniture and old paintings. However, the most intriguing discovery came when she found a hidden room behind a bookshelf in the study. The room was a treasure trove of her uncle's life, filled with paintings, diaries, and old photographs. Her uncle, she learned, was not just an adventurer, but also an artist and a collector. His diaries were filled with tales of his travels, his thoughts on art, and his love for this house. Emily spent days going through the diaries and paintings, each revealing more about her uncle's fascinating life. Inspired by her findings, Emily decided to restore the house and turn it into a gallery and museum dedicated to her uncle's life and work. She wanted to share his legacy with others. The project was extensive, requiring a lot of work and dedication. However, Emily felt connected to her uncle's spirit and was driven by a desire to preserve his memory. The gallery opening was a significant event in the village. People came from far and wide to see the house and the collection. Emily's project brought new life to the village and sparked interest in its history. The house became a local attraction, and Emily felt a profound connection with her heritage. She realized that this unexpected journey was not just about restoring a house, but also about discovering her family's past and her own identity.